Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. I am Mama Triple, and if today is also your first time of watching, I say welcome and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Today's recipe is all about bacon wrapped asparagus. You are going to love it. Don't miss this video for anything. I'm also going to list the health benefit of asparagus. Don't miss it. So as you can see, I have everything ready here that I'm going to use for this recipe. I have black pepper there, and these are also my asparagus. I've already cut some, and I'm going to cut this also right now. You can cut it this way with a knife, or also use another method which I am going to show you. You can also cut it like this. You just have to do it like this, it will just break on its own. You don't have to force it to cut. So those are the two ways to cut the asparagus. As you can see, I am done cutting it. So the next step now is to add some salt and pepper before I move to the next process. You can see that it is fresh and also properly washed. Okay, so I'm just going to first of all use the bacon to wrap the asparagus like this. You can do it like this, like without adding salt or pepper. Okay, I did the first two like this, and then later on I'm going to add my salt and pepper to the asparagus first before wrapping it with the bacon. So as you can see, I'm going to add my salt and pepper, and then I'm going to just continue the process. So guys, please pay attention to this part, which I am going to list the benefits of asparagus to you. It is low in calories, and it has a great source of nutrients including fiber, folate, and vitamins like vitamin A, C, and K. It is also good for weight loss. It improves digestion. It is healthy for pregnancy outcomes, and it also lowers the blood pressure. Asparagus is also full of antioxidants. It is anti-inflammatory. It improves the heart health. It fights and prevents cancer. It is also a good source of fiber and anti-aging. Guys, these are just some of the health benefits of asparagus. Yeah, unfortunately I cannot list everything because the video is also a short one, but with the ones I have listed, I think that's enough also. Okay, so now I'm going to add a little amount of black pepper and salt to it. So I'm going to put it in the oven for 15 to 17 minutes on 200 degrees. And guys, after 15 minutes, ta-da! Look at this deliciousness here. Look at how yummy, how beautiful, how good it looks like. Thank you so much for watching. That's how I made wrapped asparagus. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'll say bye for now and see you in my next video.